Now, a unique war of words has broken out over celebrations with the centre granting classical language status to Bengali. In a major decision, the Union Cabinet approved classical language status to Bengali along with 4 other languages. Prime Minister Modi lauded the Cabinet's decision, stating that Bengali literature has been inspiring for many years now, highlighting how during Durga Puja, the Cabinet has granted this status that brings in additional joy to the people of Bangla. Now, meanwhile, you have Mamata Banerjee, who's spoken on a stage saying that the well-researched and extensive report that was submitted to the government has finally been accepted, and she is absolutely happy and welcomes this move of giving classical status to Bangla. The BJP was quick to turn around, saying Mamata is trying to take credit here for the BJP's effort, saying that Mamata Banerjee's government had no role to play in pushing for classical status to the Bangla language. BJP slamming her for taking credit, highlighting how in as many years of Mamata Banerjee being the chief minister, she never tried to push for classical language status for Bengali. Saffron Party asking Mamata Banerjee to instead thank Prime Minister Modi for this.
5 भाषाओं को आज कैबिनेट ने शास्त्रीय भाषाओं का, क्लासिकल लैंग्वेज का ऐसा दर्जा प्रदान किया है। प्रधानमंत्री जी की अध्यक्षता में हुई कैबिनेट की बैठक में आज ये महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय हुआ और इन क्षेत्रों में रहने वाले करोड़ों लोग, जो बांग्ला भाषी होंगे, जो मराठी भाषी होंगे, जो असमिया भाषी होंगे, बिहार और पूर्वांचल के क्षेत्र में पाली और प्राकृत में पढ़ाई करने वाले, पढ़ने लिखने वाले लोग होंगे, निश्चित रूप से आज अपने आप को गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहे होंगे जब उनकी मातृभाषाओं को, उनकी बोली को आज शास्त्रीय भाषा का ऐसा दर्जा मिला है।
Credit goes to the state because after so many years, Mamata Bandyopadhyay could only prove by proper documentation that Bengali language is a classical language, and the Government of India, Committee of that Government of India, has compelled to recognize us.
All right, superstar Govinda today was discharged from the Mumbai hospital while he was seen all smiles this morning. He was out on a wheelchair, moved out with his family by his side and a cast on his leg. Govinda had accidentally shot himself on the leg with that revolver slipping off his hands, his licensed revolver. While he was cleaning, it slipped off his hand and accidentally fired a bullet into his left knee, right below the knee. The bullet pierced through, and that bullet was removed. Finally, he was admitted to the ICU, and days later, he's now discharged. All smiles, blowing kisses at the fans who were there to show him their love and care. He thanks everyone for being there in this time for him. I'm going to leave you with this.
मुझे प्रेम मिला, जहाँ जहाँ पूजन हुए, दुआएं पड़ी गई, जहाँ जहाँ अरदास की गई, प्रेयर्स हुए, मैं सब लोगों का धन्यवाद देता हूँ, प्रेस का धन्यवाद देता हूँ और प्रशासन से जुड़े हुए पुलिस वर्ग का धन्यवाद देता हूँ। मैं राज्य से जुड़े हुए आदरणीय शिंदे साहब का धन्यवाद देता हूँ। हर वो व्यक्ति विशेष जितने भी हैं, जहाँ जहाँ बड़े बुजुर्ग, सब लोगों का, और खास तौर पे वो लोग जो मुझे बहुत प्रेम करते हैं। आप लोग का कृपा और आशीर्वाद की वजह से मैं सेफ हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर लव।